a bowl of pasta that's simple yet sophisticated. This is my Italian sausage and Cavalo Nero pasta with Pinot Grigio, Fennel and Parmesan.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me for today's video recipe. Cavalo Nero or Kale, I'm not a big fan. A few of my friends said that in Italy it's huge, especially if you mix it with sausage and pasta and a few other ingredients. So I thought I'd try it out. It was absolutely amazing. So I wanted to share this recipe experience with you today. You'll need some really good quality sausage, some cooked pasta, some Pinot Grigio wine. Obviously you'll need plenty of strips of kale or Cavalo Nero, some Parmesan cheese, some butter, some finely chopped onion, fennel seeds, some finely chopped green pepper, and obviously a little bit of salt and pepper and maybe some olive oil just to drizzle before you eat it. Right, let's get cracking, shall we? Can we get a block of butter in the pan to sizzle away? Just going to add my sausage. I've took the skins off. This is an Italian sausage with a little bit of garlic in there as well. I'm going to crush the sausage with the back of the spoon. It's going to take me about 10 minutes on a medium heat, and I want to break the sausage into little tiny pieces. Really, if I can, I want to get some nice caramelized brown edges on our little bits of sausage. That is going to give us lots of flavour and contribute to a really great flavour with our pasta. So once you've given that around about 10 minutes and it's cooked through, we can add in our onions and our finely chopped green pepper, along with some fennel seeds. I adore fennel. It goes so perfectly with sausage. We're going to stir fry that for about 6 to 8 minutes until the onions and the green peppers are nice and soft. And once they are, we can think about adding this fabulous drop of Pinot Grigio. And there it is. Pop it in, bring it to a boil, give it a bit of a stir through, and we want to reduce the wine until it's only left, about a tablespoon left rather. Evaporate it until there's only about a tablespoon of wine left in the solids. It's going to become concentrated, it's going to be full of flavour. As you can see, there's very little wine left in that pan. Okay, in with the Cavalo Nero or the kale, and I'll just cut it into thin strips. Took most of the stalks out, I've got to say that. And give it a stir through for about 3 or 4 minutes to make sure, get the heat into your cabbage. Now we're going to throw in the chicken stock or the vegetable stock, whatever you prefer. Stir that kale cabbage around with the sausage and all the other ingredients in the stock. When it's come to the boil, now I want to pop a lid on for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. Then I'm going to add my cooked pasta. I'm using fusilli and rigatoni. And I'm just going to stir that for about 2 or 3 minutes on the heat. Make sure everything gets nicely, evenly mixed together. It really is looking wonderful. I'm going to put in some lemon juice. That wasn't mentioned previously on the initial ingredient check, by the way. And in goes the Parmesan. I must tell you that all the ingredients feature in the description box below. Click on the word more to expand and you'll see a list of ingredients. Mix everything together for a further couple of minutes. Make sure everything's nice and hot and all those flavours are evenly distributed around the solids. It's looking absolutely wonderful. I'm incredibly pleased with it. The flavours, they really do work together. Let's dish it up, shall we? Wonderful fusilli pasta, the kale, the Cavalo Nero, the sausage, the fennel seeds, the butter, the wine, the stock. Absolutely perfect. That there is my Italian sausage and Cavalo Nero pasta, everybody. And why not put a bit of extra Parmesan cheese on it? Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to share it with your friends, that'd be brilliant. Smash the like button, it's huge for us. And leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this sausage and Cavalo Nero pasta dish. I'm starving, I'm gonna get stuck in.